we are going to discuss about the important property of electric current is nothing that other than that resistance. So, the metallic wires that is made up of copper or aluminium are responsible for carrying the electric current because they are good conductors of electricity since they are metals. So, how electron flow will be there inside the metallic wire? If you see this yellow color circles drawn with plus inside are called positive ions, and the white color dots representing electrons here, and the arrow mark represents the direction of motion of these electrons. Okay, direction of movement, in which direction they are moving. So, when the metallic wire, if it's not connected to a source like cell or a battery, the electrons will move randomly like this. See, their directions are like it's not the same. It will be different for each and every electron. Here, if the metallic wire is not connected to a cell, the electrons are randomly moving. But consider this case where this metallic wire is connected to a cell. So, now the direction of flow of electric current will be like this. Yes, we all know it's from negative terminal to the positive terminal. So, this is the direction of electric current. Always direction of electric current will be from negative terminal of the battery to the positive terminal. So now it's attached to a source and the movements were particular. They started to move in a particular direction. Their directions are, we are making the motion of the electrons to move in a particular way but not in a random way. Okay. So what the particular way means, from negative terminal to the positive terminal of the battery. During the movement of the electrons in the metallic wire, they may collide with the positive ions or with other electrons that are moving in the wire. So what will happen if they collide with the positive ions or other electrons that are moving from negative terminal to the positive terminal? Yes, you are correct. Their movement their direction of movement will change. Otherwise, the speed will also decrease. Both can happen simultaneously also. Either the speed will decrease, otherwise the direction of motion may change. So, since it's connected to the source, again it's getting accelerated and it's moving from the negative terminal to the positive terminal. Again and again, even though it's colliding and losing its energy, it is getting energy from the source and starting to move from this negative end to the positive end. So that time also again chances are there for it to collide with the positive ions or other electrons. So automatically what will happen means they will start to drift at the positive side. The electrons will start to drift, and the drift here is changing as heating effect. So that only this resistors we are using in electric heaters, room heaters, sandwich makers, geysers, everything contains a wire made up of tungsten. Okay, because tungsten is having high melting point. So that comparing to aluminium and silver. So that even though electrons are drifting towards the positive terminal and causing heating effect, nothing will happen to the wire. Okay. So the definition due to the positive ions or other electrons. So, the obstruction that is offering to the flow of current, that is to the flow of electrons by a conductor, is known as resistance. Coming to Ohm's law. The resistance provided by the, consider that if a current I is flowing in the metallic wire and when a potential difference V is generated, then the resistance offered by the wire R equal to V by I. Okay? So, that is equal to resistance, we will represent in omega, that is equal to volt by ampere. So, how come we can define the unit of resistance? If 1 ampere of current flows in the conductor, when the potential difference across the wire is 1 volt, then it will create a resistance of 1 ohm. So, this R equal to V by I or V equal to IR is the Ohm's law. Hope you understand. Thank you.